I bought and tested these top adult tricycles so you don't have to waste your money. As someone who's tried various models, I know how overwhelming it can be to find the right one. In this review, I'll share my personal experiences with each tricycle, breaking down the features that make them stand out as well as the drawbacks. Let's dive into the world of adult tricycles and find the one that suits you best. Product number 1, NEKRASH Duck Bike Bell. Imagine cruising around your neighborhood feeling the wind in your hair when suddenly a cute little duck pops up on your bike. That's exactly what happened when I attached the NEKRASH Duck Bike Bell to my ride. This quirky bell isn't just about aesthetics, it's a fun way to make your presence known while cycling. The rubber duck design, complete with a propeller on top, is sure to turn heads and bring smiles. The LED light adds a whimsical touch, making it perfect for evening rides. The installation process is straightforward. I didn't need any tools, just a bit of hand strength to secure it on the handlebar. The 45 decibel sound is just loud enough to alert pedestrians without being obnoxious. I found the duck to be quite adjustable. You can detach the helmet, making it even cuter. What I love most is its versatility. It can double as a toy or even a pager in certain situations. However, while it's incredibly fun to use, it may not be the most practical for serious cyclists looking for a traditional bell. Still, the NEKRASH Duck Bike Bell is a delightful addition to any bike. It's playful, charming, and brings joy to every ride. If you're looking to add a bit of character to your cycling experience, this is definitely worth considering. Product number 2, Huffy Green Machine Drift Trike. When I first laid eyes on the Huffy Green Machine, I felt a surge of nostalgia. This trike brings back memories of summers spent racing down hills with friends, and I couldn't wait to take it for a spin. The sleek design and vibrant green and black color scheme are eye-catching, but it's the performance that truly impressed me. With dual-stick steering, I was able to maneuver easily, executing sharp turns and thrilling spins. The rear wheels are designed for drifting, providing this exhilarating feeling of control and freedom. The adjustable seat is a game changer, accommodating riders up to 180 pounds and ensuring comfort while riding. I also appreciated the built-in LED lights. They not only looked cool at night, but also enhanced visibility, which is crucial for safety. Stopping is effortless with the coaster brake that works by pedaling backward, simple and effective. However, it's important to note that this trike is designed for kids ages 8 and up, so adults might feel a bit cramped if they're over 6 feet tall. For those looking for a fun way to relive childhood memories or just want an exciting ride, the Huffy Green Machine Drift Trike is a fantastic choice. It combines nostalgic design with modern features, making it a thrilling option for riders of various ages. Product number 3, ACK-EFIT Adult Tricycle Cover. As an avid tricycle rider, I know the importance of keeping my ride in tip-top shape, especially when it comes to protecting it from the elements. The ACK-EFIT Adult Tricycle Cover has become my go-to solution for outdoor storage. Made from 210D Oxford cloth with PU coating, this cover is both durable and waterproof. I remember the first time I used it. A sudden downpour caught me off guard, but my tricycle remained dry and safe underneath the cover. The size is perfect, 75 inches long, fitting most adult tricycles seamlessly. It even has reflective strips that enhance visibility, which is a thoughtful feature for anyone who parks their trike outside. A small but handy storage bag is included, making it easy to pack away when not in use. One downside is that it might be a bit cumbersome for some to handle alone, especially when trying to cover a larger trike. However, for anyone looking to protect their investment from rain, sun, and dust, the ACK-EFIT cover is a smart buy. It's practical, well-designed, and does exactly what it promises, giving me peace of mind that my tricycle is well protected. Product number 4, Cycling Deal Adjustable Adult Bicycle Stabilizers. Transitioning back into cycling as an adult can be daunting, especially if you're not confident on 2 wheels. That's where the Cycling Deal Adjustable Adult Bicycle Stabilizers come into play. I decided to give these a try to see if they could help boost my confidence while riding. The installation was straightforward, and they fit my bike perfectly, accommodating wheel sizes from 24 to 29 inches. The heavy-duty construction feels solid. and I was pleasantly surprised at how stable they made my ride. With a maximum weight capacity of 265 pounds, I felt secure, knowing they could handle my weight without compromising stability. What I love most is the extra width between the two wheels, which provides additional support and balance. However, it's crucial to note that these stabilizers won't fit all bike types, especially those with dual suspension or certain chain guards. This limitation might be disappointing for some, but for those looking to regain their cycling confidence, these stabilizers are an excellent investment. They offer safety and stability, allowing you to enjoy the freedom of cycling without fear. Product number 5, Mad Gear Drift Trike for Kids. The Mad Gear Drift Trike for Kids caught my attention not just for its fun factor but also for its quality and safety features. Designed for kids aged 5 months and older, this trike is built with a durable steel frame that can support riders up to 150 pounds. I took my niece for a test ride, and the first thing she loved was the adjustable seat, which can be customized as she grows. The sliding and drifting capabilities are fantastic. With a 16-inch BMX-style front wheel and slick rear wheels, she was able to spin and slide with ease. The low center of gravity and wide rear axle provide stability, giving parents peace of mind. One of the standout features is the safety flag, which enhances visibility, making it easier for others to see her while riding. However, the trike is relatively lightweight, and I noticed it might be a bit less stable for younger, more inexperienced riders. Overall, if you're looking for a fun, safe ride for your child, the Mad Gear Drift Trike checks all the boxes. It's a well-made product from a trusted brand, ensuring a great experience for both kids and parents alike. After diving deep into these 5 fantastic adult tricycles, it's clear that each one has unique features catering to different needs. Whether you're looking for a fun accessory, a sturdy storage solution, or a reliable training aid, there's something here for everyone. My personal recommendation would be to consider what you value most in a tricycle and choose accordingly. Happy riding!